In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show cards assigned to only you in Trello boards. So, whether you're managing a project, organizing personal tasks, or collaborating with a team, Trello is a fantastic tool for keeping everything in order. But sometimes, amongst the many cards on a board, you just want to focus on what's specifically yours. Luckily, Trello has a handy feature that allows you to filter and view only your assigned cards, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, you want to locate the filter icon on your Trello board. You'll find it at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a small funnel, and it's the gateway to narrowing down your board view to exactly what you need to see. Click on this filter icon to get started. Once you've clicked the filter icon, you'll notice a menu drops down. Here, you'll see various options that let you customize your board view. What you're looking for is a checkbox that says, Cards Assigned to Me. Go ahead and check this box. Instantly, you'll see the board shift, and it will now display only those cards that have your name on them. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure you're just seeing the tasks that need your attention, helping you stay focused and organized. Now, if you're someone who loves efficiency or just wants to cut down on clicks, there's an even quicker way to achieve the same result using a keyboard shortcut. Instead of navigating to the filter icon, you can simply press the letter Q on your keyboard. Hitting Q activates the same filter, showing only the cards assigned to you on the board. It's a speedy little trick that can save you time and streamline your workflow even further. And that's all there is to it. By using either the filter icon or the Q shortcut, you can easily keep track of your responsibilities on any Trello board. This simple filtering technique helps you manage your tasks more efficiently by keeping your focus on what needs your immediate attention. Whether you're working on a shared project or dealing with your own personal tasks, these tools are designed to make your experience with Trello smooth and hassle-free. I hope this tutorial helps you navigate your projects a little better. Remember, Trello is all about customization and control, so you can tailor your boards to suit your needs and preferences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.